Sensitivity Analysis in Capital Budgeting, presented by RobanchoA. Hi everyone, I'm RobanchoA. In this presentation, we will dive into sensitivity analysis in capital budgeting. We'll discuss what it is, why it's useful, and how businesses use it to make better financial decisions. Along the way, I'll walk you through this tool's technical process and practical applications. This is a great place to start if you want to improve your understanding of financial risks and how to address them. Slide 2. What is sensitivity analysis? Sensitivity analysis is a way to test how changes in financial variables affect a project's outcome. Businesses face many uncertainties, such as fluctuating costs, shifting demand, or changing interest rates. This analysis allows decision makers to model different scenarios and see how key financial indicators like net present value and internal rate of return react. By understanding these potential impacts, companies can assess risks and create strategies to address financial challenges before they arise. Slide 3. Quantitative steps in sensitivity analysis. Let's go through the steps involved in performing a sensitivity analysis. First, businesses identify which financial variables are the most influential. These could be costs, revenues, or interest rates. Next, they establish a base case scenario as a reference point. Then they adjust one variable at a time while keeping the others constant to see how changes impact NPV and IRR. Finally, they analyze the results to determine which variables present the most significant risks and decide on the best strategies to minimize those uncertainties. This process allows companies to be proactive rather than reactive. Slide 4. Qualitative considerations in sensitivity analysis. Beyond the numbers, businesses must use good judgment when interpreting sensitivity analysis results. It's important to consider whether the data is reliable and whether external economic trends or industry shifts could impact the outcomes. Another key element is risk mitigation. Companies should have a backup plan if a particular variable causes significant swings in financial projections. The most effective decisions come from combining financial analysis with practical business experience. Slide 5. Incorporating risk in capital budgeting. Risk is unavoidable in capital budgeting, but sensitivity analysis helps companies manage it. One way to do this is by adjusting the discount rate. Higher risk projects often require a higher discount rate. Another approach is scenario analysis, where multiple factors change simultaneously to simulate different possible futures. More advanced methods, like Monte Carlo simulations, take this further by running thousands of probability-based scenarios, giving businesses a better understanding of potential risks and rewards. Slide 6. Practical example of sensitivity analysis. To put this into perspective, let's look at an example. Imagine a company is considering building a new factory. One of their most significant cost factors is raw materials. If material costs increase, the project's profitability could be at risk. By using sensitivity analysis, they can test how a 10% rise or fall in raw material costs affects NPV. Suppose a small cost change leads to a significant drop in profitability. In that case, they may need to reconsider their suppliers, negotiate long-term contracts, or explore cost-saving alternatives to keep expenses under control. Slide 7. Conclusion and key takeaways. In summary, sensitivity analysis is a valuable tool for businesses looking to make smarter financial decisions. It highlights which variables impact a project's success and allows companies to plan for uncertainty. By incorporating this method into capital budgeting, businesses can reduce risk, improve financial planning, and make better investment choices. The key lesson here is that financial decision-making is not just about the numbers. It's about understanding risks and being prepared to adapt. Last slide, references. These references provide deeper insights into sensitivity analysis and capital budgeting for those who want to explore this topic further. Thank you for your time.